Are you sure my place is a good celebration for New Year's Eve? I think yours would have been much safer. Think about it. We would have only had to pass a few blocks.
Sure, but think about the path and neighbors. They have much more kid neighbors, and they would have much better ammunition. And with being a smaller era, it's basically a war zone.
I don't understand what the big fuss is. If it's not registered as a bomb, it ain't gonna do anything to us.
Oh, look! New targets!
Okay, this is getting ridiculous.
So much safer, huh?
Hey, I learned my lesson, okay?
Oh shit, let's go get my mom.
Oh, hey, Big Sib. Girls, long time no see. Oh, yikes. What happened to you?
You gave those brats more firecrackers?
Of course, it's New Year's Eve after all. And you know how I make the most money out of this season.
Oh dear. Who in their right mind is putting these ideas in children's head?
Did you make the salad, Miss Sanetsu?
Oh no, Maria. My mother-in-law offered it to us, since we were planning on making cabbage rolls this New Year's Eve. I can give you some too if you want.
Yes, please.
How can anyone be so cruel?
Okay, we need to do something about these little craps.
That little crap. It's my brother who riled them up so they'll waste all their firecrackers and sell even more. He does this with everything he sells. He just never hurt one of my friends by now, directly or indirectly.
All right then, I got a plan. Can your dad dig a hole in your little garden?
Are you sure this is the best way to hide the firecrackers?
Next time, get a big chest or something, old man. Don't worry, we won't be gone for too long, so you will have to stay here for a few minutes. I mean what I said. I'm still hungry, and your mom's food is waiting for me.
All right, good luck.
Okay, guys, the final price is...
It's 0.
What? What are you doing here?
I mean to stop you. This whole operation stops right here.
No, I'm not giving you discounts to family. Besides, you're scared of these.
You hurt my best friend. I'm not letting you go any further. No, but you did hype them up, just so you would be able to sell more.
Like it's my fault she got her fingers burned. I didn't tell them to attack you.
know what? You win. But don't forget, this will bite you in the butt.
Anyway, as I was saying, the final price is... what the?
Hey, was this an act to steal from us so you can sell them again? Well, you will be the one to pay back!
Romică, ce? Nu e ziua mea! Nu e ziua mea!
Am înțeles, nu vrei să faci petrecere, foarte bine. Nu vrei să știe lumea, nu vrei să știe lumea câți ani ai, foarte bine, foarte bine.
Ba da, mă, dar nu e ziua.
Să nu le zici, la 48 de ani nici eu aș face la fel, nu!
But I'm going to be back next year.